red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, black color, and white color. Kids now draw alphabets, and first they draw A, and here is red color. A for apple, A for ant, B for ball, B for bus, C for cat, C for car, D for dog, D for doll. Kids again use red color and draw E for egg, E for elephant, F for fish, F for fan, G for God, G for grapes, H for hand, H for helicopter, I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids neither J for joker, J for jackfruit, and here is yellow color. K for kite, K for king, L for lion, L for lemon, M for moon, M for mango, N for nose, N for nest. It's again use yellow color and draw O for orange, O for octopus, P for parrot, P for penguin. It's neither Q for queen, Q for quill. The alphabets of Q. It's neither R for rose, R for rice. The alphabets of R, and here is blue color, S for sun, S for snake, T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids again use blue color and draw U for umbrella, U for uncle, V for van, V for vanilla, W for wallet, W for watch, X for x-ray, X for telephone. Kids again use blue color and draw Y for yak, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids neither numbers, and first read of 1, and here is green color. O N E 1, 2, T W O 2, 3, T H R W 3, 4, F O U R 4. Kids neither 5. The numbers are 5, and here is black color, F I V E 5, 6, S I X 6, 7, S E V E N 7, 8, E I G H T 8, 9, M I N E 9, 10, T E N 10. Red color, blue color, black color, green color, yellow color, and white color. Kids now draw alphabets, and first they draw A, and here is red color. A for apple, A for aeroplane, B for ball, B for bat, C for cat, C for cow, D for dog, D for doll, It's again use red color and draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, F. F for fish, F for fan, G. G for God, G for grapes. The alphabets of G. It's neither H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. And U is blue color. Blue color. I for ice, I for ice. The alphabets of I. J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K. K for kite, K for king. Kids again use blue color and draw L. L for lion, L for lemon. M. M for moon, M for mango. N. N for nose, N for nest. It's neither O. O for orange, O for octopus. And here is black color. The alphabets of O. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Q. Q for queen, Q for quill. Kids again use black color and draw R. R for rose, R for rice. S. S for sun, S for snake. Kids again use black color and draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. Kids neither V. V for van, V for vanilla. The alphabets of V. And here is green color. Green color. W. W for wallet, W for watch. It's neither X. X for X-ray, X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra and Z for zoo. Black color, blue color, red color, yellow color, green color, and white color. It's neither numbers and first state of 1, and here is black color. O N E 1, 2, T W 2, 3, T H R W 3, 4, F O U R 4, 5, F I V E 5, 6, and again use black color. S I X 6, 7, S E V E and 7. It's neither 8. The numbers of 8, and here is blue color. E I G H T 8, 9, N I N E 9, 10, T E and 10. It's again use blue color and draw 11. The numbers of 11, 12. The numbers of 12, 13. The numbers of 13, 14. The numbers of 14. It's neither 15. The numbers of 15, and here is red color. Red color. (16) The numbers of 16, 17, the numbers of 17, 18, the numbers of 18. Kids, again use red color and draw. 19, the numbers of 19, 20, the last numbers of 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.